mirar la luna, la 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 la.
Hi guys, so for today's video, we're going to talk about Fox IQ. But before that, let's move on with the disclaimer first that this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before investing into anything as cryptocurrency is highly volatile and risky. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. There's a new DeFi project gaining attention very quickly, which is rapidly being listed on exchanges and the project is moving fast. But what makes this project interesting is not just the listings, it's the vision behind it. What if the original vision of crypto, decentralization, community power, and innovation could actually return? Welcome to Fox IQ. You are in the decentralized land. So you have here, guys, our Fox IQ website. You are in the decentralized land. So about Fox IQ, after several years of active involvement in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, we realized that the industry had gradually drifted away from its original decentralized spirit. So for our treasury security, guys, Fox IQ safeguards its treasury assets through an industry-grade three-signer multi-signature wallet requiring approval from three authorized managers to ensure transparency, strong protection, and decentralized control. A substantial portion of Fox IQ's assets is permanently secured within this treasury as long-term backing for users. No funds can be accessed or released without the required multi-party authorization, while all balances remain fully visible and verifiable on-chain, reinforcing trust, accountability, and long-term security. So for our tokenomics, guys, we currently have these numbers, and we will have also our circle graph right here. And also for our utility, guys, government power, token holders can vote on key project decisions and shape the Fox IQ ecosystem. Annual rewards and early ecosystem access for stakers, exclusive insider updates and early launch announcements, 40% secured in multi-signature treasury ensuring long-term stability, advanced dashboards, beta features, and holder-only utilities, and lastly, of course, early access to partner projects and ecosystem releases. So for our Fox IQ roadmap, initial token launch and early mode airdrop distribution, expanding Fox IQ presence and global partnerships, high APY staking opportunities for long-term holders, community voting and decentralized decisions for Fox IQ holders, listing on major exchanges for liquidity and exposure, and lastly, new projects and profit opportunities with new token for Fox IQ's holders. So now, how do you buy Fox IQ? So for our Fox IQ contact address, you can just copy our address right here. But if you want to buy it directly, you can just click this upper right button here at our website to directly direct you to our page wherein you can buy Fox IQ tokens. So for this, you can just click this USDT so that you can directly buy Fox IQ tokens. Let's say I want to buy $100 worth of Fox IQ tokens. So let's see if how many Fox IQ tokens will I receive. So with that, I can receive 46.6075 worth of Fox IQ. So if you want to proceed, you can just connect your wallet right here so you will have these said tokens. So that's it, guys, for our Fox IQ tokens. If you want another questions or if you want to visit our website, you can just type foxiq.co. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.